Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Visalus business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact, simple, three-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter in one company and to hit the leaderboards for sales in a completely different company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified leads to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you're going to identify the keyword that you want to go after. And this is done by seeing what others who have done what you want to accomplish, by seeing what they've done, and simply creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate. You're going to click on that video and you're going to copy those tags to a Word document. You're going to create a coherent title using all these different keyword phrases, and your title should still make sense. After that, create a description about 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place that link on top of the description. At the end, you're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save that thumbnail as your primary keyword. By going after doing things in this way and going after these keywords, you're going to be able to rank on Google and YouTube and get traffic to your offer and targeted traffic to your offer from prospects who are searching for those keywords. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to copy word for word verbatim what somebody says, but you want to say similar things going after similar keywords. And you want to make your content about 3 to 5 minutes long. Use Open Broadcast System for a screen share and save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find exactly where your target audience is hanging out. I'm going to explain exactly a couple different places where you can do that. And you essentially want to build a following there. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially going to be marketing to no one. So you want to find people who are like-minded network marketers essentially. And here's what you could say as a first message. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you've made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I've checked out your profile. We definitely have a lot in common when it comes to work ethic, and I definitely think we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? So you say something along those lines, and it doesn't have to be word for word, and you just make that connection in an honest and genuine way. And you want to do this about 5 to 10 times per day. As you build your audience, you could keep them engaged by doing picture posts, engaging blog posts, quotes, and I love my blank pictures of like filling where you're filling in the blank, and that's going to get more people to comment. And as more people comment, the next time that you make a post, you're going to get more engagement on that next post. You want to go into groups like the Robert Kiyosaki fan page and the Tony Robbins fan page, and this is where you're going to find your target audience. You want to make 5 to 10 connections every day, and people will get to know you from your comments. You want to comment on others' posts and be social. The key here is to make connections because you're not closing prospects. If you're going to be the type of person that goes into these groups and tries to pitch, you're definitely going to be, it's just not going to be an effective strategy. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. So that's 90% personal and 10% about your business. So 90% should be pictures of you at the beach, hanging out with your family, some food that you're eating, that kind of thing. inspirational quotes, those kind of things. You want to flood with those kind of posts. And 10% about your business, where you may be sharing a result from somebody on your team. Here's a good example of a curiosity post. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people might reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And at that point, that green powder may have something to do with your business, and that smoothly leads into a conversation where you can expose them to what you have to offer without being a pushy salesperson. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunter with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through from point A to Z of how I'm able to generate those 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.